everyone, thank you for joining. Today we are going to be creating a sugar sculpture. The sugar sculpture is based off our earlier readings, videos, and discussions by Kara Walker. So let's get started. We all want to remind ourselves that Kara had an installation done called the Subtlety, or the Marvelous Sugar Baby. It was in a sugar factory, and this factory was going to be demolished. So she knew she had to create an installation that did not have permanence. It was going to be temporal, and it was going to be subject to change. So the sculpture we are creating is just like that. It is a sugar-based sculpture that is subject to change because it's not a permanent, we're not baking it, and while it is edible, I do not want anyone eating their sculptures. So let's begin with the tools and materials. First, we're going to need measuring cups and spoons, bowl, spatula or knife, paper towels, baking, and wax paper. So as you see, I set most of the things up ahead of time so that we could just get going on everything. So if you need time to grab your items from the rubric, go ahead and do that now. Now let's get started on the actual ingredients in creating this mold. So first we're going to use a 1/3 cup of the light corn syrup, and we're going to pour it into the bowl. Then we're going to grab the soft margarine and plop that right in. Then we're going to grab a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and add that to the mixture. And lastly, we're going to use confection sugar, and it's 4 cups at 600 grams, which I already delegated out into this bowl, and we're going to add that to the mixture as well. Now, this is my first time making this type of sculpture, so we're in this together, and it says just to use your hands and really get in there and start to watch the process unfold. So as I do this, I want you all to start getting your materials together and doing the same as me and creating a sugar mold. After a few moments, I'm noticing that the clay or the sugar is starting to become more dense and kind of like a dough almost. And it's going to be easier to mold into our next figure. So as I keep going along, I just want you guys to start the process, and then I will get back to you as soon as it is ready. So we are almost there. As you can see, the sugar clay is starting to take shape. And now we will be able to create our sculpture that we decided to select. Welcome back. Okay, as you can see, the sugar clay has really come to form. You just gotta keep working it till it gets to where you wanna be. I am going to do something super simple just for example purposes, and I'm going to do the basket that holds the sugar in it. So here is my sugar basket. And remember, because this is an installation, we are going to use sugar-based products. So if you want to create sugar food coloring and colors to add to yours, that's absolutely fine. I just want anything to have sugar included into your installation. So let's start with, I'm going to just put literally sugar into my basket and have fun with it. I mean, really get in there and add it all over. And then I'm going to do also, if I can open this, because my hands are super sticky right now, a little molasses to the basket, just for, and drizzle it. We will be displaying these on the day of presentations, so I really want you to take the time and think about how you want your artifact to represent the American history of sugar, and also in turn with Kara Walker and her artifact that we are discussing today, the Subtlety, or the Marvelous Sugar Baby. So there you go. There is my sugar basket overflowing. Hold on, I'll give you a better view in just a moment. And there it is. So I just want everyone to remind themselves to really just think outside the box with this one and really enjoy the project. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys later this afternoon. Hey everyone, I just wanted you to show the completion of my sculpture, and it's kind of a mess, but that's the whole idea. It's not something that's going to last long. So if you want to do a pouring or a dripping, I'm totally okay with that in the class presentation. Remind yourself, this is a temporal situation. This is something subject to change, so I'm okay if you want to pour sugar into it or have something changing at the time of your presentation. They're only a minute long, so take your time. Thanks so much for watching today, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your afternoon.